Do you want to send a link on Twitter X? You can send any URLs on X message with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a link in a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where you want to send the link. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the message box. Now, type or paste the website link you want to send. You can also add a message along with the link if you want. Once the link is ready, tap the send button. Your link will be sent in the chat. The other person can tap the link to open the website directly from the conversation.